There's a crypto project surging, and since I have been talking about altcoins lately, it wouldn't be nice to sideline this great project. Today, we will be talking about Aethir and why Aethir might surge to $1 in the nearest future. All you just have to do is to watch this video, and if you want more of this, then consider subscribing to this channel to help growth. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. At the moment, Aethir is trading at about 4 cents, with a market cap of $490 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $160 million. The 24 hours change is plus 2.33%, which is a moderate increase. The 7-day change is much higher at plus 42.80%, so the recent surge might be part of a longer upward trend. To know more about this increase, let's take a look at some news articles. According to news articles, there are a few key points. Aethir has been making partnerships and expanding its ecosystem. For example, they launched a lending market for Aethir on Volksfinance and partnered with Messiah Network for automated node economies. These developments could increase utility and demand for Aethir. Additionally, the recent launch of the eigenlayer Aethir Vault allows staking, which might reduce circulating supply and support the price. However, the overall crypto market is slightly down, so ADH's rise is against the trend, indicating coin-specific factors. The fear and greed index is neutral, so general market sentiment isn't driving this. Right now, the price is sitting at around 4 cents, and the market cap is about $500 million. If you've been watching the chart over the past month, you'll notice one thing: the price has been booming. But here's the funny part: if you zoom out, the overall chart still looks pretty low, like a roller coaster ride that hasn't fully taken off yet. Now, a lot of people see that and think, maybe it's too risky. But here's why I think Aethir has serious potential. 1. The team is active. This is not one of those ghost projects. The team behind Aethir is consistently dropping updates, working on development, and making sure the project grows. In crypto, that's a huge deal because projects with no updates usually fade away. 2. It's still early. At just 4 cents and with a $500 million market cap, we're not looking at a project that's already maxed out. If this project truly delivers on its vision, hitting $1 is not just a dream, it's a possibility. 3. Volatility. The chart looks messy, and it's been up and down, but that's normal in crypto. The key is that despite the roller coaster, Aethir has been climbing in the past 30 days. So here's the bottom line: if you're looking at Aethir and judging it only by the wiggly lines on the chart, you might miss the bigger picture. What matters is the work being done, the updates coming in, and the long-term vision. And honestly, with consistent progress and community support, I wouldn't be surprised to see Aethir heading towards that $1 mark in the future. Just remember, always do your own research, never invest what you can't afford to lose. Now, for those that are still interested, let's dive deep into the full details of Aethir crypto project. Aethir is a decentralized cloud compute network that brings together idle enterprise-grade GPUs into one global on-demand infrastructure. It addresses the skyrocketing demand for GPU power in areas like AI, real-time rendering, and gaming by making high-performance compute accessible, affordable, and decentralized. Enterprise GPU owners can unlock their unused capacity to earn rewards, while users gain seamless access to cutting-edge compute power without the cost and latency issues of traditional cloud services. Aethir operates as a decentralized physical infrastructure network, DePIN, built on 3 interacting roles: containers, checkers, and indexers. Containers host the actual GPU compute resources, whether as physical hardware or virtualized endpoints, and must be ready to deliver performance with enterprise-grade capabilities. Checkers verify that containers uphold quality metrics like uptime and performance. They ensure the network maintains reliability and can penalize or reward providers based on performance. Indexers efficiently match compute requests from users to the best-suited containers, optimizing for latency, performance, and cost. Aethir launched its mainnet on Ethereum in mid-2024, enabling real-time GPU resource rental, especially for AI model training and cloud gaming, backed by encryption and quality assurances. Several features make Aethir stand out in a crowded cloud computing landscape. Enterprise-grade GPU access. Aethir pools high-tier GPUs, e.g., NVIDIA H100, across hundreds of thousands of units spanning 94 countries. Low latency. Distributed architecture ensures compute resources are near end users, crucial for cloud gaming and AI inference. Scalability and flexibility. Its decentralized model allows it to scale faster and adapt more easily than centralized cloud providers. Improved economics. By leveraging idle hardware and avoiding massive data center costs, Aethir reduces operational expenses by up to 80% compared to centralized cloud giants. Decentralized ownership. GPU owners retain full control and earn revenue without relinquishing their hardware, aligning supply and demand in a transparent, peer-to-peer model. Security and data integrity. Encryption ensures only users can access their data. Infrastructure-level firewalls protect against network vulnerabilities.